Welcome to this real estate affirmation for real estate professionals who know and understand real estate is one heck of an industry. As real estate professionals, we know real estate can be challenging, it can be twisty and curvy, but we are here to keep you encouraged and keep you aligned with the true purpose of your why and why you began in this wonderful world of real estate. You are more than able to find the deals and clients that you want to work with. You have a special ability to find the good deals out of deals that may not be many. You are specifically equipped to guide your clients to the highest and best use of their investment and income. Your ability to inquire and acquire knowledge and information that keeps you ahead of the game, that keeps you above so-called competition, and keeps you in front of qualified clients. You have a special ability to understand what is being said, but more importantly, what is not being said. Your ability to stay consistent, to stay diligent, to stay on target will be rewarded. You will continue to rise higher. Your efforts will continue to be acknowledged, not only in commission, not only in your new network, but the ability to have a great reputation of character in your real estate community. You are a highly sought after agent. People are speaking your names in rooms that you may not have entered, but you will be going into soon. Be excited about your future. Be excited about your opportunity. Be excited about the position you are in and the growth you have obtained. Pat yourself on the back, superstar. It's another deal. It's another day. And the best is yet to come. There are so many great things in store for you. There are so many new opportunities, new deals to work, new properties to see, new buyers to meet, new sellers to greet, new landlords to work with, and new tenants to place inside the business space of their dreams. You are creating a legacy by helping others achieve their goals. And it just keeps getting better. You will continue to learn and you will continue to grow. Your opportunities lay before you. The path is clear. You are outstanding. You are resilient. You are one of a kind. And your clients adore you. They speak so highly of you. They're mentioning your name. They're sending you good energy. And all of your clients are qualified. They are ready. Your hard work is noticed. Your efforts are appreciated. The long nights, the talks, the reading, the studying, to even got where you've got to now. The best is yet to come for you. Seize this day, seize this opportunity. It's all here for you. You are the exception. You are the light. You are magnetic. Others are thankful to share this real estate space with you. Keep going, superstar. Keep going, dreamer. 7 days, 7 minutes. And you are wonderful.